Who doesn't enjoy a little bit of retail therapy, yummy food, and lively entertainment? What if I told you there's one place where you can get all of them together?
Incredible India is too vast to be covered in a single lifetime. But if you want to see mini India, there's no better place than Delhi Haat. Super easy to get to Delhi Haat. You can either take a metro to the INA station, which comes on the yellow line or on the pink line, or you can take an Uber, or you can simply just drive down to Delhi Haat. So let's go and check out what's happening in Delhi Haat today. Let's go. So why Delhi Haat? Delhi Haat is a place where cultures from all the 29 states are represented in an open air space. Here you can not only buy handicrafts and tribal items from different states, but you can also taste their cuisines from as far as Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from Manipur to Gujarat. You can buy and support all the handicraft artisans who earn a livelihood from this place. Thank you. So a ticket to Delhi Haat costs 30 bucks for an adult, 20 bucks for a kid, and 100 for any foreigner. So it's quite economical for the kind of stuff that you get to see. Let's check out. The thought of preserving and showcasing the Indian culture and handicrafts to the world, Delhi Haat was established in 1994 with the help of Delhi Tourism, the Ministry of Textiles and Tourism Department. This is a shopping paradise. Here you can find stalls for every material under the sun. Apart from a few shops that are permanent here, most shops here are on a bi-weekly rotational basis at a nominal fee of Rs 100 per day. Hence, you will find new vendors every time you visit it. Delhi Haat is always buzzing with action, and there's a lot of festivities which are being held here. So whether it is the Aam Mahotsav in summers or the special Diwali Bazaar during the holidays, or even Baisakhi Mela.
So this brings us to the end of our first episode of Delhi Haat Diaries. In the next episodes, I will talk about Adi Mahotsav, a tribal festival of 1,000 artists and 200 stalls from all over India, and Red Ant Chutney that is set to protect against COVID-19. So stay tuned for more, but before you go, please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and families, and subscribe to Travel See Right channel.